advertisement which we see on the TV. Let's start and see the unboxing of the monster phone. Let's see the main features. 7000 mAh battery that supports reverse charging and 25 watt fast charging. 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED plus Infinity O display. Quad rear camera setup that houses a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 5 megapixel macro lens. For selfies, it comes with the 32 megapixel punch hole camera on the front. Wi-Fi calling, NFC. That was all about the specifications of the mobile. Now let me continue with unboxing and setup. Let me open the box. Here you go. That's the phone. Looks cool. This is the SIM ejector pin tool. Quick start guide, regional guide, and the warranty card. Let me take out the mobile. Here is the super fast charger and USB 3.0 cable. Now let's take out the mobile from the cover. Now the mobile is switching on. Let's quickly do the setup. First, insert the SIM card and go ahead with the setup. Select the next button. Connect to your Wi-Fi to install the updates. In this screen, there is an option to copy the data from your existing phone. Otherwise, just skip and proceed. Next is signing into the Google account. This is the security lock. You can select any of these as per preference. I will be skipping it as of now. Next is setting up an account with Samsung. If you like, you can set it up. I'm skipping it. Now the setup is completed. The display looks awesome. Here you find the space of 105 GB of usable memory. examine the video and sound quality, let me play my latest YouTube video. Oh, Ada, you must be wondering what I'm doing with these old cardboards. So, I thought I would make some useful things out of these old cardboards, which we received. The mobile looks awesome. The camera and battery are both excellent. I'll use it for some days and come with a review. Okay, that's it guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.